as you can see right here, we have Luna, okay, Luna Terra. We can see that Luna Terra did not age well, not at all. We clearly see that we started this beautiful uptrend. Okay, we were aware of that. We came back into that demand, continued to break the structure. Then after we broke here, yeah, more like than not, we're about to continue to to take this thing even lower. Because in a matter of what? In a matter of 36 days, he fell additional like 96%. I mean, come on. So yeah, I was obviously looking for some upside movement from here on because we broke the structure and all this stuff. Like you get it, but yeah, we never got that. We never got that thing, the confirmation and all this stuff. So more like the now it's gonna head to the downside. Now, I understand that a lot of people they managed to invest like when it was super low. I am absolutely aware of it. But as you see, oh, this is the daily. Oh shit! Like let's just go to the lower time frame to see where we actually are here. Oh my bad, guys. But as you see, it's still kind of falling. Then it went to like around $10, stuff like that, even to around $30. Yeah, it was around 25. Then continued to fall down. Now, because we're in a downtrend, obviously, I'm bearish on this, and I would like to see this low get cleared out. So we're gonna see how this is gonna play out. Obviously, that's about it. Have a wonderful day and goodbye. It's not.